Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District uba Vivek Im ula pentip balayo ban kemno ya ubadon kti ban Pyniap ya Heprit Kyrshanbor kharmudai uba shong basa Nongrah. Habakran chigila bathai kubor USP ulayat ho baya ubadon kti ha ketika kam Pyniap udai ubra tip kerteng kum Kennedy Khongsit uba laipu arsnem ka Karta. Shu halor ketika jingja USP ulayat ho ba utei ubriu ula Pyniap ya Kyrshanbor kharmudai tang nakadaw ba ula satla ban pensat ya katop jong utei ubriu.
Ba Vivek pila ban ya thu ini ha ba ya dei bat kani ka jing kem jong ki pulit ya ubadon kti ha ban Pyniap ya ini kena ret ma na po Nongrah
ke hador kani kadin jubna hi ka special investigation team hi bala kti do SP city hi kila yo kem yo ubadon kti ban kani kala khamjuat hi ka case ban nakadaw ba nimlap hi ka motor kejutmu ban Pyniap yo kena mamdan kanu ada passion ka ba andon kata sexual assault ne kandan kata ransom but hagaju por udi kena konswet hi je kata motif ka khamlong hi ban yo ke kejutmu ju rio ban Pyniap yo kena hagaju por ni wat ni labun ni ngatai hidan kitu atuk ni nai ni la ong ba kidan kibri di ba ni suba rei kajing kalong bangim dan tak evidence bangin la ban poi shidu shaki ya ban kem yaki te hadin katu kan benai pinta na dru benai te ni la yo katu kan ni evidence juga forensic but quick evidence ru ki technical evidence ni la yo but hadin ni la ka Sait kala beteng lang gini ke evidence but ni sa lab yo uni ubri Pyniap hak tugas ni uni kena uni ubri Pyniap ko peteng Kennedy Khongsit like ko ars nem ula Pyniap yo nakadaw tang ba uni kena saila wa wanirap yo ban Sait ta top de uni ubri udan hi kata ka history kaba khamlong violent na kham dan quickly ke ula top ya ka sintur jumu bat ani kata ra yu hatop tap yu hatop adu Pyniap nak tahu sei kan ta usabo shadin yang dia hadir berkila kalawan katuni bat wahiem ju pratmi ju kata hendak seperti tap no itu kena haka berni bat upan untuk parat ni ju ya kata seperti bat lek bos desa mau bat de kata ketika jinja kerja haka sini haka pratri di hadin kata hi itu misan hi ju tu kena hi la FIR ni la register mar hi la form de SIT but mentah kasih hi yo kem yo ni but lesai ni sa remand yo ni sa pan remand police remand yo khang bangin yo ban tokit Pyniap shushu ban yo tokit ki jan ki khagnu kom Pyniap but ni reconstruct ya ka sequence jong ka crime entah itu
hakapor uset tu brio uset ni khulum dei juntur te yamler le kumno ne
yap hayeng ne yap
atop
long how did he die
long brio haka jingdom hi ura be tu khna set bat khumut bat juntur tap yu ha top ten ti kata top kebadan shiteng ti tap yu ta mo ukna ngathai ula yap hi shwa ban tap yu ha top ba masin tap yu ha top kan ki shwa kamen to say no ka kamen nanta ba usabur shalish ka pomye
This for sure looks like a very difficult case to crack. It took so long. How would you rate difficulty wise?
See, difficulty number I've already said the motive is the first thing. Secondly, you could suspect the family, you could suspect neighbors. You don't have reason for anybody, because he's an orphan. Why would you kill a child who's 7 years? You wouldn't you don't have, nobody has asked for ransom. There's no sexual assault on that child. The child is living with somebody else. He's not living as domestic help also, where people will, let's say, they child labor, and he, because of the hardship, he must have died and all that. He didn't perform what they're doing. So, as he's not a domestic help also. So all these factors didn't actually sit in well where we could get the motive. So it became very difficult. Divansh, you would say anything?
So adding to what you said, one of the things that was difficult, like Sir said, was he did not have parents. We did not have that motive also. His parents had some rivalry or some enmity with someone else. So that angle was also ruled out. A child, he could not have harmed anybody. That angle was ruled out. So these, amongst the other reasons mentioned, was why this case took a little longer to solve. But eventually, we hopefully have reached the logical conclusion.
We had more than 10 to 12 suspects out here, and it took a long time to write off any of the suspects out here. That's why people would come, you've got anything. But it took a long time, because unless I have evidence, I really cannot pinpoint, I cannot zero down on that. It's easy to pinpoint, oh yes, this fellow might be, that fellow might be, he dresses like this, or he looks like that, or he behaves like that. But unless I have that evidence, policing now is based on scientific evidence. We will not just catch anybody like that. It has to be based on scientific evidence. And SIT has proven it today that as a team they've worked in different areas and pieced all that evidence to zero down on this criminal.
So, yung belong violence, basit kli ma. Keladon ke kes previously bersya yung nagbahayang ni.
Ingin apa dan ki kes sudah keladon ki kes bakram register hi laisuk hi panamaki keladon hi ki kes ki ba kelawan jing ajing ujor and re keladon ke jing asuk panamaki hi.
Kani dang datang ke first degree.
Kani the first case penong ban register ke case. Yes.
So
Nongrah
police has
kadai si ne ka kawal hukum.
Kadai ke jing show adong ki dan ki dan ke jing kerja Andre but itai lok chung hu bala uru kadan ka street ba shit sure.
So Bhavivek, my question is, Meghalaya Police has created its reputation of excellence, past deeds, okay, so many cases cracked. So my question was, how difficult was to crack
To
this
solve
case?
this case.
The pressure on you and the team.
See, the pressure is number one is I had more pressure because we had solved Sonam case and it was a difficult one, and this being a local case and all that, why can't we solve? And most people thought that it's going to turn into a cold case, that we had forgotten this case and we are looking at only high profile cases, or we are looking at if somebody is from outside then we will pay attention, but if a person from our own state, something happens to them, we will not even give much attention. That was the refrain all throughout. But we don't work like that. We are professionals. The team is very professional, and we once we have a case, it doesn't matter who what kind of background he comes from. A case is a case. This boy is an orphan. We never forgot this case from day one. We kept trying, and I me and my team, SPCT, myself, we knew in the hearts of heart that yes, we keep trying, we will get something. So we are trying to uphold the level of professionalism and excellence in policing, and that's why class and caste does not matter, community does not matter. Uklam don hi jadi tu. Uklam ulamut hi long hadian ba kilawan ki pudet hadian stio artio laitio si panai hadian kata long ulai kan ba umut ba dan ki pudet kin no kan bam lap hak tu ka klemat hi temat yom yo isu kan ti hadian si panai ja hadian arna ja itu la semula doi
Fikam ni yung sa semua.
ni sa